It's time to get this money. You've been watching everybody else get this money, but you have not tapped in yet. It's time for you to tap in. You can make upwards of $500 per day or more simply making kids videos using AI, not ever showing your face at all.
Hello, honey bun.
Hello, my honey buns. It's your gal Lou, or you can call me Miss Honey Bun. And this channel is all about resources and money. Okay, we talk about different ways to get money and also helpful resources for my people that may be in a bind. And I try my best to keep you up to date with information. All right. By the time you're done with this video, you will have all the steps necessary, all the steps, all the tools, okay, to get this money. No excuses. This is your time to shine now, and you'll be able to do this without showing your face at all. So it leaves you that creative space, as well as you still have that sense of privacy. You don't have to worry about doing your hair, makeup, or getting dressed up before you put this content out. You can look however you're looking and sit in your home, lay in your bed, sit on your couch, and create this content while being comfortable. So let's get into it. So kids channels is one of the most profitable niches on the platform. And if you have children, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or even if you don't have children, you have nieces, nephews, your friends have children, you know these kids are watching videos all day long. That's how you get them to calm down half the time, okay? And so with these AI videos, you'll be able to create that content and put it out for these children to watch and make your money. This is also a very, very easy thing to do, so anybody can do it. Don't feel like, oh, I'm not smart enough, I don't have enough creativity, I don't have enough money. Like, no, none of those excuses are going to work here. Literally anybody can do this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, you're going to use ChatGPT or a platform similar to it to help you create your scripts, your video ideas, unless of course you just already have all those ideas. But if not, use AI. This is going to save you so much time so that you're not spending days, weeks, months, hours trying to figure out your storylines. This will help you out a bunch, okay? So you're going to use ChatGPT or a similar platform, and you are going to get it to help you write your storyline just like this. So we're going to say, help me to create a, we're going to say a storyline for a 10-minute children's alphabet video. All right. So ChatGPT is working on that now. They're creating that storyline, that script. Boom, here you go. They have the introduction, which is a magical forest where everything starts with different letters of the alphabet. So they're painting the whole picture for you. They got the characters, and of course you don't even have to do it exactly like how ChatGPT is recommending. You can always swap out things and change it to tailor it to fit your own, vision that you may have, if you have one. Then the next 7 minutes is going to be the alphabet adventure. They have the whole structure laid out for you, the transitions, the rhymes, and the songs. And then it goes all the way to the ending, okay? So perfect. All right, so now we are going to get ChatGPT to create us a song with lyrics for this episode. I said, create me a kid song for Alex and Ava's alphabet adventure. Right, and they are creating the lyrics for us. We have they're giving us the tune and everything. Chorus, we got our verses. Alright, so boom. Now we are going to go over to Suno. Alright, y'all, so this is suno.com and you want to go to create. So I'm gonna copy and going on over here. We're gonna paste our lyrics, and then the style of music, I'm gonna put children's hip hop. So I don't know if y'all watch Gracie's Corner or have children that watch Gracie's Corner, but I love how Gracie's Corner gives you that flavor. Okay, I want a little flavor, so we're gonna do that. And then it is, what's the name of our song again? I think it's Alex and Ava's. I'm just gonna call it Alex and Ava's Alphabet Adventure. All right, boom, 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 boom. And let's go ahead and create the song. But yeah, it could be my laptop, y'all. And so they're generating 2 different options for us to listen to. Let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a listen.
Here's a catchy, Alex and Ava go on a quest. ABC, they'll do their best, learning letters one by one. Alphabet adventure is so much fun.
All right, so that's the first one. Now let's listen to the second one and see what they gave us.
Here's a catchy and playful kid song for Alex and Ava's alphabets, learning letters one by one. Alphabet adventure is so much fun. Oh. Alex and Ava go on a quest. ABC, they'll do their best, learning letters one by one. Alphabet adventure is so much fun.
Okay, y'all, I'm kind of torn because I like the woman's voice on the second one, but the first one, I don't know. I think the first one sounded better. So you want to go ahead and download it. Also, now we are going to really bring everything together, bring this video to life using Heyluo AI. It's heyluoai.video.com. All right, so now you're on the website. Okay, my darlings, you are on the website and we're ready to create. Okay, so once you are there, we are going to do text to video. All right, we're doing text to video. We're going back over to ChatGPT, and once you're there, we're going to type in generate prompts for Heyluo AI for every scene in the lyrics above. All right, so ChatGPT is on it. They're generating those prompts for us, all right? And it moves pretty fast, but you have to keep in mind, depending on how long the scene is, how long the song is, it may take a little bit longer. And copy the first prompt and the verse 1 prompt for the song. Once you have that copied, we're going back to heyluo.ai. I'm going to paste that here in the text to video box. Now, I have had some issues previously, so I do want to be a little bit more descriptive. And I am going to put where it says 2 adventurous cartoon kids, Alex and Ava. I'm going to put Alex. No, I'm going to put Alex boy. Because listen, they tried to give me 2 boys. And this is not 2 boys. And I'm going to put long hair. Once you got that there, go ahead and press this button and it's going to start creating. It may take like a couple minutes, but now we have our vision brought to life. So after you create your animation with your prompt, you do want to go back and create a few more clips for each prompt, all right, to ensure that you don't run out of the clips for each part of the song, because you don't want to run into a situation where verse 1 is still going on and you only have clips ready for verse 2. You get what I'm saying? But you're just going to repeat this step over and over until you have all the clips that you need. So just do one verse at a time and get a few clips, recreate a few clips for each verse. I would say 2 to 3 clips for each verse, depending on how long your verses are, how long your song is, right? Or how long your clips are, if you're not doing a song. Because everybody is going to do a song. Every episode of your show might not be a song. It might just be a whole scene. But it would still be the same steps if it's just a regular scene, okay? And you can always take this advice and translate it over to another idea that you have as well for videos that may not be for a children's channel. Now the fun part, we're going to put everything together. Make sure that you download and save your clips to your computer. We already have our song downloaded and saved, and so we are going to be using CapCut. Now I go back and forth between iMovie and CapCut when it comes to editing videos, but for this particular video we are going to use CapCut. All right, so once you're on CapCut, you are going to go to create project. All right, so next you want to go in and import and go to wherever you have the children's clips downloaded. And then you want to also add the music.
Well, Alex and Ava go on a quest. ABC, they'll do their best.
I hope that y'all found this video helpful. Listen, in 2025, or whatever year you're watching this video, because you might see it after 2025, get in the field. It's time for you to get off the bleachers. It's time for you to stop just only watching everybody else make money. Stop just watching videos about how to make money, but actually get in the field. Choose something and run with it. You know, if one thing doesn't work, try something else, but something will work. There's so many options now, I mean, for everybody. And listen, you see the world is changing. A lot of traditional jobs are leaving because, listen, AI, you know, so you want to make sure that you and your family will be good. You want to make sure that y'all are set. You want to make sure that if there's another catastrophic event, you're able to get money from the comfort of your own home, okay? Period. Be your boss. Be your boss and use the tools that are available for you, okay? As always, I hope you found this video helpful, and please let me know how everything goes for you. After you create your channel, come back and drop the name of your channel in the comments here so that we can support it. Even if it's not the children's channel, even if you use these tips and take it to create whatever faceless channel idea you have, come back and drop the name of that channel in the comments so that we can support you, so that I can personally go check your channel out and support you as well. I will definitely do that. Drop your channel names. If you are a content creator as well, or you plan on becoming a content creator, let us know what your content is going to be about, or you know, what inspired you. And yeah, let's spread the love and spread the wealth. See you on the next video. Bye.